Now, looking at this before and after, even I have to say, not a lot different. But is it improved? Sure. This patient had had eyelid surgery several years ago, and it essentially just needed to be revised, or the crease was a bit loose. Her main goal was being able to see her eyeliner and lashes crisply, better defined, easier to put on, and be able to see the crease at the same time, but keeping the crease natural, essentially keeping her looking like herself and doing the surgery in such a way that other people really didn't notice that anything had happened, and yet it still looks a little bit better. So in this particular case, it's incision, anchoring technique, and it's really only about 2.5 millimeters worth of skin removal, and we do that skin removal at the anchoring point, which in her case was 6 millimeters, and remove the skin in the pretarsal space, which is below the incision, and tightened it up that way. Very subtle, natural looking results. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Chase Lay.